Welcome to another video. I'm here today down in Carew for the classic car show. Welcome to Carew Castle, a place where history echoes through stone walls and roars through vintage engines. Today we're at one of Wales's most iconic backdrops for the 2025 Classic Car Show. From timeless British classics to American muscle and European elegance, this event is more than just a display. It's a journey through automotive history, all in the shadow of a 13th century fortress. So buckle up, this is going to be one unforgettable ride.
And you're singing the songs, thinking this is the life, and you wake up in the morning and your hip is twice the size. Where you gonna go, where you gonna go, where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna go?
Before the engines rev, let's turn the clock way back. Carew Castle dates back over 2,000 years. First as an Iron Age fort, and later rebuilt into the formidable Norman stronghold we see today. The majestic tidal mill beside the castle is the only restored one of its kind in Wales. But today history takes a different form, with polished chrome, white walls and V8s. And what better place to hold a celebration of the machines that defined the 20th century. The atmosphere is electric. Enthusiasts from across Wales and beyond have gathered to show off their prized motors. You can smell the polish, hear the hum of tuned engines, and feel the nostalgia in the air. There's something magical about the way these machines spark memories of summer road trips, Sunday drives, and the freedom of the open road. It's a sensory time capsule. Each of these cars tells a story of design, innovation, rebellion or luxury. And behind every one is an owner who's poured love and care into keeping that story alive.
For I know I will be loosened from the bonds that hold me fast. We lie in my head, and here in my arms.
Few car shows can boast a location like this. Carew Castle isn't just a backdrop. It's part of the experience. You're walking through layers of Welsh history while admiring vehicles that shaped the modern world. It's a collision of centuries where the medieval meets the mechanical.
She's giving me sleepless nights. I'm lying awake, chained to the lace. Night after night I'm lying here, counting the days. One in the world.
As the engines cool and the crowds drift home, we're left with more than just the gleam of polished paint and the smell of petrol. We've seen living history on four wheels, kept alive by passionate people in an unforgettable place. Carew Castle Classic Car Show 2025 wasn't just an event, it was an experience. A celebration of design, culture, memory and time itself.
Roll away, maybe I'll return to this island someday. From the towns to the ports to my hilltop house, I never felt as safe as I do right now. But I know that long on the wind and the prayer gonna roll away. Maybe I'll return to this island someday. Gonna roll away. Maybe I'll return to this island.
So that was it. Carew Classic Car Show. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next one.